Hello, this is my guide to the Roland set. I have the complete 6-piece set. I don't use the ring that reduces your set count by 1. I don't have the best amulet. Rondal's amulet with 6 pickup radius is better for this build, so you can pick up health globes from more far away with your Reaper's drops that you need to generate more resources because this build spends a lot of resources. Stone of Jordan is the best damage dealing ring in the game. Mine is very bad. String of Ears is the most defensive belt you can get because of the secondary that allows you to reduce melee damage 30%. My Unity ring is actually also very bad. I haven't found better one. And this is absolute must to be able to face tank blows. You have to have this ring on yourself and or your follower, and you can share the 50% damage between you and your follower. This shield is absolute must for this build. I have tried almost all the shields in game and trying to find if some one of those is better, but there is no better shield. This roll on this shield is not very good. I tried to roll better, but I have had very bad luck with crafting. This is the absolute best weapon for this build. This weapon deals much more damage than Heartslaugher. I did some maths and Heartslaugher adds like 480% damage to your shield bash if you are using the shield cross rune. And as you can see, this proc deals 610 damage, and it's improved by psychical damage bonus, which will make it deal over 900% damage for me. And it will proc every time when I use Punish and Shield Bash. On every hit it will do 900 extra damage as physical. That's the reason why I can add Punish to my build. Deadset Gaming was looking from Angel Bright Band as belt to add all runes to Punish, that Punish would be useful for him. He doesn't like it very much, but that belt is worse than this defensive belt, but this weapon makes Punish very usable and valid to this build. This weapon more than doubles damage from Punish, adding a pierced AoE damage to that normally rather bad spell. So what is different from my build and some pro player builds is that I have added Punish to my spells because this weapon allows me to do so. I'm using the 50% increased attack speed. Here I have Shield Bash with Rune Shield Cross, as all the pro players like to take because of the AoE damage. I'm using Loves of Valor with Unstoppable Force to add me some increased attack speed, but the most important part of this is to add me the reduced frat cost with 50%. Shield Glare is one of my defensive spells, and I use this to generate frat. Provoke Too Scared to Run. I use this to generate frat, and it's good for your defensive because of the 50% attack speed reduction and the slow. I'm using Akarat Champion Prophet for tanking and to get extra life when I die with Akarat Champion online. It will resurrect me to full HP for when you are going to die without it. Here are my passives. I use Towering Shield to get more damage. I use Long Arm of the Love to improve my reduced wrath cost. Heavenly Strength, obviously to wield 200 weapon with shield. And this is also the part that makes my build better than, for example, Dead Set Gaming's build, because I add this passive. He was using Finery passive, which gives you some nice constant damage boost, but it's not very much. This allows you to die one more time, so you can actually die twice in fight with Akarat Champion and this online. And when you die with this Indestructible, you get 35% increased damage and gain 107,000 life per kill for 5 seconds. And also you are immune to damage for 5 seconds, which means that I
use this time to study the writings of Akarat.
Which means that I can get full HP during this time from my lifesteal. I mean life per hit. So that's basically everything on it. Here enjoy some gameplay, and there is no sound. I was very tired. I didn't speak anything. I didn't have my microphone on and so on. I died on the Rift Guardian once because I misclicked and I thought I had clicked my Akarat Champion, but I didn't have done that. So as I said, I was very tired when I was recording this after farming these items for couple days after the patch. I'm just trying to run this build online and go to sleep. Enjoy the video.
am returning to town.